Between my heart and me and my knowledge, a tenso moved the other night as I slept, about the failing of which lovers complain, for I said that it comes from their own fault. My heart says, Lord, I do not believe it at all. Rather it is love that does all the deceit, and since charge the ladies with the fault. And thus we tensoed until day. My heart rose and said, and I wish to seek from you, Lord, if it pleases you, pardon. For I was the first to speak. If he who fails had the grief and the harm, love would have all of it. For she so misbehaves that she constrains one and leaves the other the bridle, and holds one high and loads the other with pain, and flees the worthy and the false have wealth. Now judge if anything could do worse. And I, Lord, will speak my desire. This said my sense that I believe that the fault is of the ladies, for they have themselves so much begged, and there is such a custom that when the lady sees he who begs her well, she will never wish him well. Then she begs such a one who she did not see begging, but I would hold it more beautiful courtesy if she were the friend of him who loved her. Since you and the heart are wrong in my opinion, for the failing moves all from the light-mindedness of lovers who are false and changing. And because ladies find little faith in them, they have themselves begged and prolonged their mercy to know the loyal from the rogue. And when they find a friend without treachery, they give him love as mine has done to me. With that it seemed to me there came for me to see. So it seemed to me my lady who said to me, beautiful sweet friend, I give you great thanks for the honor you have done for me. To the ladies, and you fail in nothing. If lovers were such as you, no one would ever go about blaming love-making. But the wise one hides, and the foolish one drinks his folly. Lady, thank you, for you have honored me so much. I am yours and will be all my life, and I praise myself of you. Whoever complains of a mistress